Does anybody know what's eating on my sunflowers? I'm not quite sure if I know this is a new bug in my garden or not. They're just going to town and my sunflowers are not lasting all that long because of it. Does anybody know? Leave me a comment in the comment section. The reason why I'm asking, this is my first one. Look at it. It's not looking good. And whatever it is now affecting this one. They're going to town doing something. Not having a very good year with my plants, am I? Looks like another failure on the way. Well, this is the end of my sunflowers, it looks like, in the front. There's beautiful flowers here, but as fast as that other one got messed up, this one's not far behind. You can see each bloom has these insects on them. Oh well, I guess like I always tell my family, there's always next year. And hope we do a better job. But whatever on them is just going crazy. This one, they've almost killed it off. Please give me some help. And let me know what I should have done for next year. Some of these look like bees, but some of them I don't know what they are. Well, luckily they're not affecting my black-eyed Susans, it doesn't look like. I don't see anything over there. They're only going after my sunflowers. And it's funny, I've never had this problem before. So this must be a new bug that's in my garden. Oh well. Guess we'll be having these all taken out soon. Of course, I do have wasps here too. So it's been a really buggy year. Well, you know, every year you never know what's going to infect your garden. As you can see, I have 2 or 3 different bugs in these sunflowers. Not quite sure what either one of them is. Let me know if any of you know.